Welcome back and happy spooky season. Looking at the almanac, we're actually below normal right now, which is quite a change from the first couple of weeks of October. Our high is looking in the mid-60s, 65 for a day today. Where we're supposed to be for this time of year is about 2 degrees more at 67, and we're about 20 degrees below our record. So we're not looking to set any records right now, but we are on the cooler side of things, which is a nice little change up for mid-October. Now looking at the Dorsett Automotive Doppler radar, not much activity is going on right now, and not much is heading our way. We'll get a wide look at the U.S. here in a little bit, but looking at what we have here, not a whole lot of activity, especially going into the afternoon. Temperatures regionally are in the 50s. Once again, we're still on the cooler side of things, even at the noon hour. Terre Haute is currently at 56. If we look a little over to the west of us, 54 in Mattoon, 56 in Robinson. One of our warm spots over here is 58 in Vincennes and 60 in Washington. They're holding on to some of the warmer temperatures as we go into the afternoon. We will see that we do reach the 60s, but it will be a slow and gradual rise in those temperatures. And those winds really can't figure out what they're going to do. I've been watching these, and they've been coming from the west and then from the northwest, and now they're trying to come from the south. So hopefully if they stick around with the south, they will help to increase those numbers. Now looking at what it's going to feel like, we are in the mid-60s today, but it's still going to feel a little bit lower than that due to that lack of humidity and those winds coming and shifting from the north, northwest, and south. So once it decides where it's going to be, that will help to increase those temperatures. Now looking at what it's going to be tomorrow, we are going to be a little bit warmer. Those winds do decide to come from the south for our Tuesday, giving us a chance to get into the 70s for the day. Now looking at the next couple of days, we do have rain chances on Tuesday. That's later in the evening. The majority of it we are seeing now is on Wednesday, and we do have a drop in temperature as we go into our Wednesday as a cold front moves through. Now looking at that entire U.S., not a whole lot going on here. What activity we did have was some gusts of cold air from the northwest. That affected us this morning. It's really moved on from now. We could see that come in later throughout the week, though. Looking at the past 6 hours, little to no activity, maybe some light cloud coverage, but not a whole lot going on here in the valley. And Futurecast will show that. The only activity that we are going to have is on Tuesday, where we do have a chance of scattered showers, but the majority of it will hold off. It's looking till the evening, possibly going into our Wednesday. But once again, it's not looking like a washout. It's looking like little activity for our Tuesday night into our Wednesday. Now looking at today, 65 is our daytime high. It's going to be cool and clear. But once again, remember that lack of humidity is going to make it feel a little bit cooler than 65 today. Now going into tonight, 43 is our overnight low. It's going to be cool and clear, though we may see some clouds start to build up as we go into our Tuesday. We won't see any precipitation from that until later in the evening, possibly holding off until our Wednesday, warming up to our daytime high of 71 for our Tuesday. Now looking at the next 7 days, here's what we can expect. Once again, that rain not looking like a washout, although we are seeing some scattered showers throughout the evening going into Wednesday. Though that does clear up going into our Thursday, we are back down in the 50s for a bit. We do start to recover from that as we go into the weekend with our next chance of scattered showers really on Sunday. So until then, fall-like weather, maybe a little chilly in the middle of the week.
Yes, but Thursday looks like a good day with the full sun there. So
yes,
we're excited for that because we had a chilly weekend.
Yes, we did. And that will continue for a bit.